Hello my beautiful Pisces, welcome to my channel. I have come with again another reading. Now this time I will do the reading for December month. Okay, I will now doing the monthly reading like week wise, first week, second week, third week and fourth week, how it will go and what universe are trying to give you message. I will see that. Okay, and I'm sorry that last 2 weeks I was unable to do any reading because I was actually I had lots of work pressure. um, that's why I was unable to come. And now let's see what universe will universe is keeping for you. And this is the general reading. It may or may not be resonate with you. Everything whatever is resonating with you, you can take that much, and rest of that you can leave it. Okay, and this is a timeless reading also. Whenever you will see, your time will start that time only. Okay, and let's see what is there. This is the first week, second week, third week and fourth week. Okay. So the first week, second week, third week and fourth week. Okay, let's see this. So first week, second week, third week and fourth week. Okay, let's see what the universe is keeping for you the first week of the December. Okay, there will be some grief. It is telling the universe is trying to give you a message that excuse me, I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. Okay, so something if you lose, then you can understand actually their importance. Okay, so that's why you are losing something. Okay, the universe is trying to give you this message. Everything has importance. Okay, so for make you understand, the universe is taking that steps. Okay, it's telling that ground yourself and ground and center yourself. Okay, if you ground yourself, then your all negativity will go towards the Mother Earth and you can get the positive vibration from universe. Okay, it's trying to tell you. Okay, okay, next is maybe there is possibility you can go somewhere. Okay, this possibilities you have to go in some different place, maybe for roaming also. It is trying to give you a vacation. It's also giving you this message. Okay, and it's also saying that it's also saying that you will have the you have to maintain your boundaries. Okay, because if you don't do boundaries, maybe some people can take the advantage of that. So you have to make your own boundaries so people will not take your advantage. Okay. You can see some people will be near you who will show their innocence and something, but don't believe, because they are already showing that. You have to have the boundaries. Okay. Second week of December, let's see. There will be someone who will be not good for you. Okay. And universe is trying to tell that I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. Everyone has actually, everyone is having different challenges. They're coming in the life with the different challenges. So don't compare with anyone. You are having different challenge, you have to accept that. Okay. And it is also saying that this is the time to get the fruit. Okay. Whatever you are having, or there will be some, there may be some past life karmas are there. It's actually you will get some effect. Okay. It's also trying to tell the message. Maybe there is some delays or something, or you have to go through the spiritual journey. Okay. And maybe someone you will get with whom you will have the marriage proposal or something can also happen. Third week of December, let's see what is there. Judgment. Okay. Maybe you will judge, you want to judge someone, but don't judge others. It's telling that I understand that everyone has their own unique path and challenges. So you have to, you don't judge others. They have come with that challenges. Okay. So they has to complete their work. So no need to compare with others. Okay. Whatever is your challenges, you have to focus on that. Okay. And it's trying to tell that learn from your life, learn from your life lesson. Okay. So focus on your life, not others life. Now your time will come. Okay. This is the time when you will get the fruits, and maybe there is some crossroad. Okay. You have to leave something. Okay. Maybe it's showing that you have to you have to leave something. Okay. Leave some abusive relationship or something. It's trying to tell you have to take the decision. Maybe you have to take the decision from there. Okay. There is a crossroad, you have to take the decision. Okay. This is not for everyone. These energies are not for everyone. If that is resonate with you, you can take that, and rest of that you can leave it. Okay. Okay. Now it's trying to tell that balance. Okay. Your life will come in balance. It's trying to tell I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. Okay. Universe is giving you this message and trying to tell you that you can tell this one every time, or you can write this one every day. Okay. 3 times means morning, afternoon and evening. 5 times, 5 times and 5 times. Then you can burn it or blow the ash to the air. Okay. It's trying to tell you can do that way. It's trying to tell also air magic. In that how you can do the air magic. Okay. And fire also it's trying to tell. Okay. There is fire, there is air. Okay. You can do that also. Okay. Maybe you can take, you will take your life little bit easy way. You should have the little bit of playfulness. Maybe you are thinking something too much in that time. It's trying to tell with maybe you are gossiping with someone and trying to take life very seriously. Okay. Maybe you will little bit go outside and take your life lightly. Okay. This also, this message is also coming for you. Okay. Okay, then my beautiful Pisces, I'll stop over here only. If you like my reading, you can share my reading with your friends and families. Before going, please subscribe my channel and give me like and thumbs up. If you want something, you can write it down on the comment section. I will try to do like that way. Okay, and I'll come again with a new reading. Okay, until then, bye bye.